attempt to wrap the shark fin for the Audi. This is Vvivid vinyl. I'm not sure how well it's going to shrink around this, but we're going to give it a shot. So, I'm not an expert at this, but we'll see. I'm going to cut off a piece, and then we'll go from there. Wanna go body? Okay. It's pretty small, so I presume it's not going to take a lot. We'll cut a piece of this corner right here. This is gloss black. When I tested the piece out earlier, it seemed to scratch pretty easily. That's the only thing that concerns me about gloss. It's just applying it is going to scratch. What's it going to be like just to use it? I mean, to have it on the vehicle, it's going to scratch that easily. So, I think I'm only going to use this on trim pieces, things like that, and then the rest will be satin. So first things first, we're going to clean it off with some alcohol. You get any oils or waxes off of it. Geez, if I got up here to do it twice. You know what? I think I'm not going to worry about it. Peak gun. I'm going to try doing what I've seen people do online and heat it up. And kind of let it fall around it. This is going to be extremely time consuming. Okay, that's not working. Good thing is this stuff has great memory. Heat it up and put it right back. Let's do that. That's one method I saw people do. Well, obviously this is going to be very, very difficult. I'm just going to have to take my time and figure it out. So I'm not going to sit here and bother you with me just sitting there recording. So get back with you when I get further along. Okay. Well, here it is. And I tell you what, this Vvivid vinyl here, it stretches like you would not believe. Now, I did end up with a seam. What I did is along the back here, I have one half that goes this way, and I started wrapping it like this, wrapped it like around here, went all the way around, stretched it all the way around, pulled it all the way around, and then came back around, overlapped the old one because I didn't want it to come apart, and then I have a little tiny seam right here, along here. But you know what? This is up on the roof, and I can't think of any other way to wrap this. So, I think it's acceptable. I think once it's down on the roof, it's just going to kind of disappear because it is black. So, it's not too bad. I'm going to see if I can polish up some of the little scuff marks out because it's shiny, but I'll probably just leave it. There's a couple little places I need to clean up, so I'm going to work on that. So, that's wrapping a very difficult shark fin. So, it was a pain in the ass. Patience, patience, patience. Probably took me an hour just to do this. Heat, stretch, and pull and pull and pull and pull. Pull. You got to pull it. You got to stretch it. This vinyl's working out pretty good. I know some people say they hate it, but I mean this stuff it's pretty good. I mean, you can stretch it. I mean it stretches. Stretches pretty good without tearing. You know, and then if you heat it, it goes right back. See? I mean, so it's got pretty good memory. But it also has a flash set point. So once you stretch it into place and you hit it with some heat, it kind of holds that shape. So you take it and flash some heat over it. This is like 150 degrees or something like that, and this is pretty hot right now. I mean, it's pretty hot, and it's holding. So, even my seams are holding. They're holding pretty good. They're not pulling back. And I stretched it all the way around, just like that. So, longevity is when you'll see. Thanks for watching.